Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to enter or use a barcode on StubHub. First, on StubHub, you don't manually type in or enter a barcode. Instead, when you buy or sell tickets, the barcode is transferred digitally through the original ticket provider like Ticketmaster or AXS. If you purchase tickets, just add them to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet through the original ticket app. When you get to the venue, open the digital ticket and simply present the barcode or QR code on your phone for scanning. If you're selling tickets, you don't enter a barcode. Instead, you upload or transfer the ticket file directly to your StubHub listing. StubHub automatically uses the barcode from that file to make the ticket valid for buyers. So remember, no typing barcodes, buyers just scan them at the gate, and sellers upload the digital ticket file. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.